Umea stroke Kumata. Umea is for Uganda Muslim Education Association.
For the years since it was started, allow me to thank very much.
We are here to have more games again. I'm going to request for attending this meeting, the sports committee Umea,
agenda kuba abantu masase.
Yes.
The all disciplines. Mbogo High has confirmed, but this is a girls' school, so it is half the maximum number of teams. Chinawa High School Kawempe has confirmed. Amite Secondary School has confirmed. Masaka Secondary School has confirmed. Chibuli Secondary School has confirmed. I'd like to highlight that Chibuli Secondary School, I think they are the defending overall champions, right? And they have confirmed the maximum participation. We have Chinawa School, Mugongo, Mariam High, Nkoma, Greenlight, London College, and so many others. The list is long. What is interesting is that we have received so many new schools confirming participation. So we are expecting something bigger and more exciting. I'd also like to point out the venues. The main venue will be Kawanda Secondary School, main ground, just below us down there. Then we shall have another venue at Kawanda Agricultural Research Institute, that is across the road. Then we have another venue at Namalere Agricultural Station, which is about 2 kilometers from here. Then we have Mbogo Mixed Secondary School, which is about 1 kilometer from here. That's where we shall have another venue. We hope to have football there and also volleyball at that venue. We have Brixton, Jokolera. I've seen some people here from around. You know where Jokolera is. The name sounds very far, but it's not very far. It's just a few kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers from here. Kawempe Muslim ground is on standby. Kabaka Chabagu at Wachiso is also on standby. They have been confirmed. They have been given to us and they have been confirmed. So those grounds will be put at our own use. Members of the press and the whole country, I'd like also to assure you that the opening ceremony is scheduled for Friday. I think I'd rather say the day after tomorrow, is it?
Expect very wonderful organization. From the organizational perspective, Kawanda has left no stone unturned in ensuring that facilities are top-notch. Kawanda Senior Secondary School has invested hugely in standardization of facilities and operations. The grounds are very well catered for. The people have been trained to handle the humanitarian aspect. In all perspectives, the public should expect a wonderful championship in terms of organization and in terms of participation, where we expect very high standards from the teams. Thank you.